That's done. Off to the side. Now to move on to the trailer. Shouldn't be too hard. I got a lot of old wiring in here I got to pull out. And yeah, pull that out. I cut the ends off. Well, half the ends off anyway. And I'm going to rewire it, put new lights on, and give her a paint job. Maybe I'll recover those bumpers, who knows. Pulled the wiring and everything out of the trailer last night. Gonna move the cars around, gonna swap vehicles, gonna back her in, back the Jeep in here. We're gonna hook her up to the wiring, and we're gonna run some wires and hook up some lights on here. So I just realized I'm kind of doing this backwards. I mounted my lights, got my wiring all throughout the whole trailer. I haven't wired it yet, but I should have painted this before I friggin' wired it. Oh well, I'll paint my wires, you won't even see them. Perfect, we got lights. Now to paint it. Awesome, we're coming along pretty good. We got her all wired up for lights, all the wires are all run, everything's all painted. I'm just going to need a second hand to move this thing over, put it back on here, and then I'm going to paint the inside of the boat, probably like a light gray or something like that, and just finish the look, mount my motor, and go fishing. Just did a little bit of recycling. This thing here used to be part of my old razor, my old Polaris razor. Gonna use them for guides. When I put the doors on, they had to be removed. So now they're guides. Keep me from blowing around. I'm trying to load this thing up. And now that she's all flipped over, you can see what the inside looks like. There's more of that sealer I put in, that dark gray stuff there. But we're gonna give this thing a nice coat of some light gray floor paint, I think. All right, let's get in the car. And of course, gotta take the top off because, you know, it's nice out. Ta-da! What a beautiful day. So everything you've been watching for the past few minutes or whatever has pretty much taken place over the last probably 3 weeks. Basically working on it when I can. Bad weather days, you know, obviously not doing squat. Work gets in the way, you know, that freaking work always does. But today's a beautiful day. It's a gorgeous day today. Hopefully don't get any friggin' rain like we did a couple days ago. We might, I don't know. So anyway, we're going to head into town right now. We're going to go pick up some floor paint. I would imagine floor paint would be a little more durable than regular paint. So we're just going to get like a tub of it. We're just going to brush it on the inside of the boat. We're just going to go to Canadian Tire and pick that stuff up. We're going to look at a few things while we're there. Some boat stuff and whatnot as well. I need a roller for the bottom of the, or for the top of the trailer to keep the boat from rubbing on the frame. I also need a bow stop, but I don't think they have the size I need at Canadian Tire. But we'll check it out. Let's get going. See you in a bit. So apparently this stuff is for wood and concrete and porches. I can't use this on aluminum. So I'm gonna have to keep looking. So I didn't exactly get what I wanted to, but I got this. It's Armor Coat Rust Paint, interior, exterior, and bare metal, and says it's for aluminum and all kinds of crap. Says this kind of probably should use a primer, but there's enough old paint. We'll call that a primer, except there where the feet go. But all right, let's get the stuff on here, and well, here's the before. Yeah, it's getting there. Gonna go help a buddy there for a bit. I'll be back at this in probably an hour or so. Not bad. Not bad. I also didn't have that piece. I need a little roller or something to sit on there. And we're finally out in the water. Look at that. Hey, wait, we're not in my boat. Donnie, what's happening, buddy?
Hey.
First run of the year. How's it feel?
Feels like we're going faster than the Chief Commander. I'll be the judge of that. I was on the Chief Commander yesterday.
So about an hour ago, Donnie's got a what do you call it there? Tiger shark. Tiger shark. I took that out for a rip there earlier. First time.
Motorcycles.
Oh yeah, first time on a personal watercraft. What's that? What'd you say?
I want to get a motorcycle.
Motorcycles it is in the future. Maybe not this year, but they are gonna. It's gonna happen.
Nice. I love it. I really do. It's big.
Boat is awesome.
That's the wrong thing.
A couple of ducks fishing when they go down there, stick their butt up in the air.
Holy man, it's just getting too damn hot to friggin' paint this thing. Most of it's done. It's got that last little bit to do, so I'm gonna back her underneath the canopy and hope for the best. There we go. She is painted. Finally. She's looking pretty good. Friggin' right, she's looking fantastic, man. Look at that. Damn, I'm good, right? I polished a turd. Yeah, with any luck, maybe the next video you'll see will be, well, it might be me screwing with this, or maybe I'll be in the water fishing, who knows. I'll wire it in. These braces here, or guides or whatever, these are from the old razor I had. I had to take these things off when I mounted the doors. They've just been kicking in a pile of, maybe I might use it for something later on pile. Let's go stick some numbers on this thing. Geez, it's looking more and more like a boat every day, man. This is sweet. Like I said before, well, I don't know if I said before, but I got to get a roller for here and I got to get a bow stop for there. Time to go into town. Let's go get some parts. Yeah, you can't really see it. Just had her running. She's, you know, it was no water. Just wanted to see if it worked. It was running probably 3 seconds. So just for, just to make sure it ran kind of thing, you know what I mean? So, well, here's the deal. We got her all hooked up, man. She's ready to rock for the morning. We're going to take her out. We're going to test it and see how she goes. Got all our safety gear. We got our bailing bucket. We got the anchor. Got the freaking the paddle, the whole bit. She's ready to rock. Numbers are on it. Got this thing on. They wanted 40 bucks for one of these, so I had something here, so I just kind of jimmy rigged something to make it work. Just went and picked that thing up just to get her off the bow of the boat, off the trailer, or the bow. I don't know all my terminology. The front end of the boat off the trailer. So that's how she sits. Let's pack her in for the day. It's freaking hot. I'm sweating like a bugger. Yeah, pretty sweaty. Alrighty, let's go break her in. What's up, guys? Here we go. We just dropped her off, parked the Jeep, and now the test. Let's see if I can start it in the water, and hopefully the water actually goes out of it. There's out of the engine. There's no leaks, there's no water inside the boat, which is awesome. Like absolutely zero. Not a darn thing in here, man. That is just awesome as hell. All right, let's we'll start her up and see how she goes.